Today, the Supreme Court set to hear arguments in a case that could affect the most common type of abortions in the United States, use of the pill. It is the latest battle for access since the courts overturned Roe v. Wade. Chris Ottegi is in our newsroom with more on today's hearing. Chris, what might we expect?
Well, Mark, we focused a lot on the Supreme Court's pending decision on the Texas abortion ban, but today they'll hear arguments on a case concerning the abortion pill. This case revolves around mifepristone, the pill, and a challenge from the pro-life medical groups that say the FDA did not properly consider the risk when they eased restrictions on who can prescribe and receive the pill. Mifepristone is used to end pregnancies less than 10 weeks old. The Supreme Court cannot ban the pill with a ruling, but they could possibly make it harder to get. The precedent they set has the potential to reach far beyond the abortion debate because it could be the first time the Supreme Court has undone an FDA drug approval.
If you can challenge drug approvals years or even decades after the fact by asking judges to sort of second guess the evidence that regulators have meticulously reviewed, that sets a pretty important precedent.
And the Biden administration is throwing their support behind the FDA and say doctors should determine which medication to prescribe their patient, not lawyers or politicians. Shara, back